Welcome aboard, sailors. Today I am going to show you how to properly format your essay. So what I have done is I have opened up Google Docs and opened up a new doc, and this is what it's going to look like. It's going to say untitled document, have nothing written on it. It's going to have all of these default settings. And so the first thing I'm going to have you guys do is change your title to say Giver Essay, okay? And then here, I'm going to show you how I want you to use a specific font and formatting style. So up here where it says Arial, there's an arrow right here. You're going to drop it down, and you're going to choose Times New Roman. Now, if yours isn't up here, you're going to have to go down here and scroll all the way down to the T's and find it, Times New Roman. The next thing you're going to do is change the size from 11 to 12. All right. Now we're going to put a title on this page, and we want it in the center. So we are not going to go space, 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 space. Instead, we're going to go right up here, and we're going to click this, which says Center Align. And that's going to put our cursor right here in the middle of the page. So I can write the giver, compare, and contrast essay. There's my title. Now, after your title, you're going to push enter, enter 2 times, and write your name. Enter 1 more time, and the school. There we go. Now, you're going to put your cursor back right here, and you're going to put this down in the middle of the page by pushing enter, 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 enter 9-ish times so that it looks nice and in the middle, okay? And if you want to see what that looks like, see how it's right about in the middle of the page? That's what we want. Now you're not going to start typing your essay right here on this page, so put your cursor back here, and you're going to go to Insert, Break, Page Break, and now you're on a new page. Now our essay, we're not going to start typing our essay right here in the middle, but we are going to put our title on this page. So I'm going to copy and paste it because I don't like retyping. And I'm going to go down here and paste it. Then I'm going to push enter, enter, and go back over to a left align position. So now I'm going to start typing from here. Okay? Remember that when you start typing, you have to indent. So I'm going to push tab. And then here is where I put my introduction. All right? And so all of that will be your introduction. And I'm going to just put this a bunch of times so that you can see what that looks like. So that would be a new paragraph. So let's say I started body paragraph 1 and body paragraph 2. And I'm going to tab each time. Now, this, obviously yours isn't going to say here's where I start my essay, but yours is going to have your actual words that you're typing in order to compare and contrast the Giver Society with our society, and it's going to be really nice because you've outlined it. But I'm doing this for show. Now, you can format your entire paper when you're done to be double spaced by saying Control A, and that will select all of the words. Go up to Format, Line Spacing, and choose Double. Okay? There you go. Now, I'm realizing I've made a mistake. This isn't in the middle. So I can go back and make sure it's back in the middle. So this is what my paper is going to look like. All right? Now, there's one more thing that I would like for you to add, and that's page numbers. So you're going to go up here and go Insert, Page Numbers. Put them at the very bottom. not on the title page, on the second page, right there. So you will see when I go on down here, there's a 1. And if I were to keep typing to the next page, there's going to be a 2. All right? So a properly formatted essay for this assignment is going to have a centered title, name, and your school in the middle of the page. It's going to have numbered pages at the bottom of the actual essay pages, not the title page. And you're going to have a title at the top. You're going to have it double spaced. All your paragraphs will be indented. And that's what it will look like. All right, get to work.